Yeah. So I've seen a lot of Scratch and people making it. I've done it before. So I'm gonna try to make a ping pong game. Just make it without any tutorials. See how best I can. I've made one before, but then I don't know. The next update happened, and then it was useless. So yeah, let's just start it. I need a ball and choose space. For so the ball to move, I'll need. Let me put it to 20 steps for hardness. So yeah, I need to put it in loop forever. Let me try it now. Yeah, but okay. Let me put it to if on edge bounce. You can also make it as a tutorial, so it goes like this. And then let's make it at a certain angle. So point in direction. Let's say 45. Yeah, okay, that's okay. So now let's see it. Or okay, when it spawns, let's make it spawn here. Uh, what? What am I supposed to do? Yeah, it's been a long time since I've done Scratch. Uh, what? What was I doing? Oh, right. Spawn. So, yeah. Yep. Now let it move. When you put it stop, will it appear there? Yep, it'll appear from there. Now let's add something to hit the ball with. Set a paddle. Oh, I thought these things were deleted. Okay. And then, we'll just, or let's just make it space pressed instead. Eat it into non-existence and then space. Yep. Okay. So, with that, so we need something to control the mouse. And then I think there's something in sensing. Touching mouse pointer. Uh, wait. Motion. It's X, X. We need to find something like X. X, X. Set X to, yes, here. So, and then let's set that X to the mouse pointer, right? Where is it? Mouse pointer. Mouse X. Now let's check it. Does it work? Okay, no, yeah, right. Yeah, but then we need to put it in loop. Or else it did go like this. Yeah, there we go. Now we'll need to make it bounce off. Let's also, so let's make it spawn here. Space key press. So yeah, you can also watch from me. I don't know. Is there a tutorial? I've never checked the tutorial. Know it. So motion. Go to. Okay. Now, so I just move it a lot. Yeah. Okay. It looks nice. And then, uh, we can. So let's make a game over line. Is there something called a line? It's been a very long time. So again, trampoline. Yeah, let's use this. Uh, yeah. So let's make the ball bounce off the paddle. Get an if block. If if touching paddle, then yeah, okay. Let's make a score. So make a variable score. Okay. If touching, then let's make it turn. Let's make it turn this side. At least I don't know. Let's make it go 190. I need to make it an odd number. So 203. I just choose a random one. Now let's see. Yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, sometimes it might get stuck. Then uh let's change my variable by 1. No, let's change score, and then the paddle, I'll just go like that. Don't wait. So yeah, if touching, okay, the line. So when space pressed uh forever. So yeah, if touching ball, then stop. Yeah, is there any stop thingy? Control. Yeah, stop. All. Okay, ball all. Now let's see it. Yeah, looks nice. So okay, let's make a start button. Wait, wait. So the ball one. Let's make it go here. Wait, and then for the paddle, wait. Go to here now. Now let's check it. Yeah, you can hack the game by just pinning it to a corner, but yeah, I want it to be by the rules. So let's just do a broadcast one. So he'll broadcast that, and then so when it broadcasts, when I receive message one, uh, no wait, what? No, not here for the line. All eat this that into non-existence. Yeah, sure. Now if touching ball, broadcast message one. Okay, yeah, I'll just put on top. So broadcast message one, and when I receive message one, uh, when I receive message one, Go to go to let's see, 91806. Okay, now see it. Okay, yeah, now it looks nice. Now if it touches that, it's gonna go there. So it's same with the paddle. See message one. If I didn't mind that. Uh, 6. Wow. Okay, that's random. Yeah. Okay. So it should be something like this. Yeah, looks nice. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's make a press space to start one. A thingy. Text. Okay, that's too thick and big. Text. Uh, press. Wait. Okay. Next. Oh, that looks nice. So, and then let's just widen it. Okay. Now let's make a code for that. Oh, okay, done. So when you start it, so okay. Uh, one space press hide. Where's hide? Where's hide? Hide. Okay. Let's put it in loop. Now. Okay, no, it's okay. So yeah, that's basically it. Uh, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you. Bye. Uh, okay. Yeah, another message. I'll also share it. The link will be in the description, so you can check it out. The game. It won't be that interesting, but yeah, if you want to help me,